Welcome to our YouTube channel Alawat English Classes. This is Tish Kumar Alawat. Today we are going to discuss some important passage for writings. In this video we are going to discuss on wastage of food at Indian weddings, say no to polythene bags, solar power for environment, road safety. Let us start our first topic. Wastage of food at Indian weddings. Indians are by nature known to spend lavishly on weddings. Most of Indian weddings are arranged. It is said that it is not only the type of two persons who are going to marry, but that of the two families. On the occasion of wedding, there is a huge gathering. Food is cooked for all the invitees, but it is very common that a huge quantity of food is wasted in Indian weddings. Biggest source of food wastage is in Indian weddings. The way in which food is eaten and wasted in weddings is an eye opener for everybody. Extra food is prepared to make it sure that everybody present may get food. When people start eating food, they put a lot of food in their plate. After taking a little of it, they threw the plates in the dustbin. Thus, a lot of food is wasted. People should make it sure that wastage of food is a big loss to the nation. This practice should be discouraged. Now, topic number 2, say no to polythene bags. Polythene bags are a major source of environment pollution. They are bio-non-degradable. It means that these do not degenerate into biological waste like plants, cloth, paper, etc. Recently, I, as a member of the Fight Pollution Society of our city, organized a No Polythene campaign. We held out a rally in the city with banners in our hands. These banners declares, let us make our world free of polythene bags, fight pollution, etc. We met the Deputy Commissioner of and the Commissioner of Health. Deputy Commissioner and the Commissioner of Health Services. We requested them to ban the use of polythene bags. The members of our society went from shop to shop. We requested the shopkeepers to use paper bags instead of polythene bags. We distributed leaflets and stuck posters on walls. In the leaflets and posters, we requested the citizens to come forward in support of our campaign against polythene bags. The Deputy Commissioner assured us to ban the use of such bags. A number of shopkeepers also agreed to use paper bags. Our campaign was very successful. Now, topic number 3, solar power for environment. Today our environment is in great danger. The biggest danger to our environment is the increasing volume of the carbon dioxide gas. This gas is released in the environment due to the burning of the fossil fuels. If we reduce the use of fossil fuels, there will be less release of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere. This will only be possible when we use more solar power. Solar power is the safest form of energy. Solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. It is pollution-free source of energy. Sunlight is the everlasting source of energy. Today, our houses and many big factories are provided energy through solar system. This reduces the risk of power failure. The operational cost is low. Today we cannot do without energy. It is needed in every field of life. If we remain dependent on fossil fuels for the supply of energy, then our environment will be polluted. Thus, to keep our environment pollution free, we should promote more and more the concept of solar power. Next topic is road safety. Today in India, our roads have become much overloaded by vehicles. While being on the road, road safety is very necessary. Today, road accidents are the leading cause of deaths in India. Thousands of people lose their lives in road accident every year in our country. If road users are well aware of road safety rules, and the number of deaths in road accidents can be reduced. Everybody should learn the road traffic and safety rules at a very early age to perform safer behavior in the later life. Everyone going on the road, especially drivers, must be to the left and let others vehicles pass on the opposition direction to the right. Drivers should be in slow speed while bending or turning on the roads. People should take extra precautions while going on the overcrowded roads. Bikers or people using two-wheeler vehicles must wear helmets of superior quality. Speed of the vehicles should be within the speed limits and the slow, especially in the areas of school, hospitals, colony, etc. Every vehicle on the road should maintain the right distance among them to avoid accidents. Every using road should be well aware of the road signs and must follow traffic rules. All the road safety rules and regulations must be in mind while traveling. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.